She climbed onto the iron balustrade and balanced on the edge. She stared into the endless deep, got ready for her final act. Whatever harmed or hurt you, honey, a drunk Welshman said, it's never worth to give in, darling. Come on, let's have a drink instead. 'Cause there's nothing cool about dying. There's nothing cool in saying goodbye. There's nothing cool about dying. There's nothing cool in saying goodbye. Her body shivered from a cold, a gale was blowing through her hair. She smiled and stood straight as a pole and raised her arms into the air. Death shall have no dominion, honey, the drunk Welshman said. On our path into oblivion, these wise words shall be spread. 'Cause there's nothing cool about dying. There's nothing cool in saying goodbye. There's nothing cool about dying. There's nothing cool in saying goodbye. Take your life by the hand. Don't waste your time. Take your life by the hand. Don't wait for the promised land. 'Cause there's nothing cool about dying. There's nothing cool in saying goodbye. There's nothing cool about dying. There's nothing cool in saying goodbye. There's nothing cool about dying. There's nothing cool in saying goodbye. There's nothing cool about dying. There's nothing cool in saying goodbye. Jump down, honey, the young girl pacified. I wanted to remember how good it feels to be alive. Who'd never dare to cheat or to be wholeheartedly tenacious, who cherished daily routine, abiding all the laws, and taken by spleen, never question a cause. Just with a window seat and speaking in tongues, is rolling to the beat of executive drums. Life is comfortable amongst the common. Just watching the others. Life is comfortable amongst the common. A world full of magic, always lost in its embrace. A version in miniature of vanished times and grace. A temple of his nurture which is lost in time and space. Shoved with a single move, ignoring the chains. He's rowing to the beat, someone else holds the reins.
To all those friends I once knew and those I still do, this is our last but one drink. Our ship's about to sink, but we won't dread the Grim Reaper and the dead. No, we won't dread the primrose path that lies ahead. The wind that blows, the rain that falls, they're all the mysteries of our final days, of our final days. Give my life a meaning, drove bright thoughts gleaming. Now I'd be thankful if you would have had land, so not to dread the inescapable, the inescapable. inescapable, and the wind that blows, the rain that falls, they're all the mysteries of our final